These are 5 cents that you're going to be very wealthy in your life or make a lot of money. You're a hard worker. Doesn't matter what anyone says, making money is not easy. If someone says it is, they either got lucky or they're full of shit. You read a lot. If you read any study, CEOs and some of the most wealthy people in the world are avid readers. This is where you find fountains of knowledge, you become linchpins in your career, you find ways to rethink about business and all these different things, or improve businesses, or whatever path you have to wealth. Reading is going to be a huge key to it. You are self-critical. So to be wealthy, you have to be self-actualized. You have to understand yourself. You have to constantly be trying to improve and get better. And you can't be too hard on yourself, but understanding your limitations and where you need to focus, that's going to be huge to making money long-term. And along that lines, you need to challenge yourself. If you're not challenging yourself and getting out of your comfort zone, you're going to be stuck just where you are, but gradually increasing, which is maybe your 401k or whatever. But you have to put into uncomfortable situations to really achieve wealth. Otherwise, you're going to be just average like everybody else, saving to a 401k, and that's going to be the extent of your wealth. Lastly, you got to be disciplined. So if you're disciplined, you have a good shot of being wealthy, just because you can, have that delayed gratification, and that's going to be delayed gratification is an important part of making money, just because it takes time. There is no get rich quick scheme. Anyone that says it is full of shit. And they got lucky, won the lottery or whatever. But for the rest of us, you got to put in the effort, you got to put in the work, and you have to make sacrifices. So if you're disciplined, you're way ahead of the game.